What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share on Zoom on your laptop. So first you need to head over to the Zoom's website and then you need to log in with the Zoom account. And after that, here on the right side, you will see the option of host. Click on this and then a drop down list will appear. From here, click on screen share only. And when you click on screen share only, you will be able to create or join a meeting wherein you will be sharing your screen. After that, it will ask you to open the Zoom meetings in a pop-up. Click on this open Zoom meetings and then it will open the Zoom meeting, and from here you can launch the meeting and then you can just simply share your screen to the members who are there in the Zoom workspace. As you can see, it shows me multiple options to share my screen. Whatever window I need to choose, I'll just hover to it and click it once, and then I'll click on share, and then it will share the screen. And here I have two options: to share the content only, to share as background, to share over the shoulder, and to share side by side. And here are some share options like the share sound and optimize for video sharing. And after that, when you have just done everything, you can also explore another options like you can also share your whiteboard classic and then you can edit it in real time. And then here are some document repositories. And when you come to advanced, here are the iPhone, iPad via AirPlay, screen sharing, portion of a screen, or second camera. So you can choose and share your screen on Zoom laptop according to your vision requirements. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.